This is Felix doing tutorial 7, the switch, and here it is. Uh, as you can see, I have a slide switch and two LEDs. So if I slide the switch, it will change which one is blinks. So here, the switch, I have it connected to 3 volts going through the white wire going into here, and then I have the yellow wire going into pin 3, going into pin 3 for the input, and then I have it set to ground going through here into the black wire to ground. And for the LEDs, I have the first one connected to uh, pin 13, and then pin 12 going through the resistors into the LEDs, and then into ground through the black wire, passing the 100 ohm resistors. Yeah. And here's the coding for it. The tutorial 7. So here we set the constant switch pin to pin 3, LED pin to pin 12, LED pin 2 to pin 13, and in the void setup we have switch pin to input, LED pin 1 and 2 to outputs, and in the void loop we have, so we set up an integer of a switch value. The switch value is going to be the digital read from the switch pin. And if the switch value is high, it will blink the first LED. If or anything else, it will blink the second LED. And here is the modified. As you can see, I added a servo with the green wire going to 5 volts, the white one going to pin 13, and the black one going to ground. So if I connect this, so I set this up so that if the switch is on, it will go from 90 degrees to 180, and if it's off, it will go from 90 to 0. So if I switch this, now it's going from 0 to 90. Now it's going from 90 to 180. And here's the coding for the modified. So first we included the servo library. Then we set the servo to be called just servo. And in the void setup we attached that to pin 13. So we have set up a integer called x, which will be used later on. So instead of just when the switch value is high, instead of switching an LED on or making it blink, we have it set up so that the servo turns from 90 degrees to 180. So in here, the x value starts at 90, adds 1 every time, and goes up to 180, then resets to 90. In here, we have it set so that the angle changes with this, and with a delay of 15 milliseconds every time. So if it's low or anything else, we have set so that it goes from 90 to 0 degrees. So the x values are 90 and subtract 1 every time, going to 0. This is what the angle does, and we have a delay of 15 milliseconds.